Okay, let's start how to download MySQL and MySQL Workbench. First, I'll Google download MySQL. It will show me some websites. Here you will select MySQL, the official website, and when the website is open, now let's select the MySQL community GPL downloads. It will be in the end of this website, right? Click on this link. Here you will show some MySQL products where you will click MySQL installer for Windows. Click on that link and it will show you the latest version of MySQL, right? So here there are two installers are available. We will select without web community, right? So here the without web community, which contains 303.6 megabyte, right? So click on this download and it will give you an interface. Here I will select no thanks, just start my download. Click on that and it will automatically download a file. Let's open it in downloads. Here you will see the MySQL installer is being downloaded. Let's wait for a few seconds as the community installer is being downloaded. Here the download has been completed. Let's open in the downloads. Now the installer has been downloaded. Let's install the software. Double click on this installer and your installation will begin. Click yes. The installation is in process. Click again yes, and then a dialog box will appear where you have to select what softwares you want to install. Here click on the custom, click next. Here I want to select the MySQL server. Just click the latest version and here click on this arrow button. This will be moved towards the products to be installed, right? Click on the application, that is MySQL Workbench. Click the latest version and move towards the other side. Tick this enable and click on the next button, right? Here it is showing me where to install this software. You have to select the path. My path is already exist. Click next and click yes, because I have to replace the path. You can use by default, keep it by default, right? Click next and here I have to install these two softwares. Click execute and the process will start. Let's complete this process and then we will move towards the next step. Okay, now when the status is complete for both applications, click next and again click next. Again please click next, keep it by default, right? Again click next. Now here it is asking me root account password because the password I have already selected. And now let's check the workbench has been installed. Let's open this MySQL workbench and it will open. Here you have to write the password which you selected in your installation. Like here, if I have select here any password, I have to use that software here, right? So click this local instance and it will open me this tool workbench, right? So I haven't selected any password, so it is opening directly, right? But if you select any password, then first it will ask you the password and then it will open your workbench. So here the software has been completely installed.